Hey, I'm Karen from the Aromahead Institute. Today I am making an anxiety calming hand lotion with Tamala essential oil. This hand lotion offers multiple benefits. With all the hand washing that we're doing these days, our hands are getting really dry, itchy, and irritated. So this recipe will help you keep them moisturized and healthy, and that's the first benefit. The second benefit is calming stress and anxiety. When you apply this hand lotion, you're not only absorbing the anxiety calming oils through your skin, you also have plenty of opportunities to breathe them all day. Okay, let's get to our recipe. I have a 1 ounce glass jar of lotion. You can use any lotion that you like, and I prefer a natural unscented lotion that doesn't contain any harmful ingredients or fragrances. In fact, I've already put 1 ounce of lotion into my 1 ounce cute little glass bottle. The first oil that I'm going to add is Tamala, and I'm going to add 6 drops. It's gorgeous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tamala is rich in a component called linalool, and a lot of research has been done on linalool because it's also one of the main ingredients, one of the main components in lavender essential oil. So we know that linalool can deeply calm the nervous system, and that's why I love using Tamala to help my body and mind relax. It's a very gentle, skin-friendly oil with a warm, sensual aroma that might remind you of cinnamon. Next, I'm adding 3 drops of patchouli essential oil. 2, 3 drops. Patchouli oil has a rich, sweet, earthy scent. It's very grounding, which means that it can help you feel secure in your surroundings. If your mind tends to wander into stress or worries, patchouli oil can help bring it back to a center of peace. And if you think you know what patchouli smells like because you've smelled the incense, just know that the essential oil smells very different, and I encourage you to give it a try. Our third oil is geranium, and I'll be adding 3 drops into our hand lotion blend. Geranium, it's a gorgeous, sweet floral oil, and like Tamala, geranium contains linalool as well as several other calming components from the same chemical family. Geranium has been studied for its effects on chronically low moods and sluggish nervous energy, and thanks to the research, we know it can help boost the mood and comfort the heart. And that's one reason floral oils like geranium are sometimes known as heart notes. They're emotionally warming. Now, I'm just going to use a glass stir rod to stir the essential oils into my lotion. And you can also use a stainless steel spoon. You have to give it quite a stir to get all of these wonderful oils evenly dispersed into the lotion. And of course, I'll rub that on my hands. I carry a little jar of this lotion with me, and I use it as needed. It's gentle enough to use all throughout the day, and it keeps my hands and my heart happy, which is what I want for you too. If you want to learn more of the science behind how these 3 oils calm anxiety, look in the description below the video. There's a link that will take you right to the blog post with more information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.